Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you best free of cost handwritable note app for any computer or smartphone or tablet. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see I'm using a Windows operating system on my respective computer. So if you're using a Mac computers or any Android smartphones or tablets or any Apple iPhone devices or Apple iPad devices also, the tricks will remain the same. So firstly, just open any web browser and in the Google search, just search for one application name as Saber by Edel192, and on the first list you will see the developer website. Just click on it and now just scroll down below. Now you can see here it supports different operating systems like Android, iOS, Linux, Mac OS, Windows, and even if you don't have any specific operating system, then still you can use ESL web applications in using any web browser. So below some screenshots of these applications that you can see here. So this is a mobile version, so we're gonna check different versions here. So here are the options for Android. You can get it on Play Store or different app stores. For the Linux, there are some instructions for Windows, for iOS, for Mac OS. So here I'm gonna download for Windows, so I'll just click on this releases and just scroll down below. Now below the assets you can see tons of files, so you can get your Android applications also directly from here, or you can install from the Play Store also if you wish, and you can get Linux versions, which is app image, and you can get iOS version also from here if you want to download from here. And if you want to use for the Windows computer, then get this Saber installer.exe. So here I'm gonna download the Saber installer.exe, but the user interface will remain the same. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Now just double click it to run the software installer. Now click on next to proceed with installation. Just create desktop shortcut, just enable this, click on next, click on install. Wait for a few more seconds until the complete installation is done. So just click on finish and wait for a few more seconds. So you can see this kind of user interface, right? So it's a very minimal style application. So on the left panel you will see some icons. The first one is recent notes, second is all notes, and the third is whiteboard. Even you can use it as a whiteboard also to teach your students, or you can use it for your meeting purposes also as a whiteboard. And the last option is settings. So in the settings you will get a sign in option also provided by the Nextcloud server. So if you have a Nextcloud server, then you can directly log in using your Nextcloud account, or if you don't have, then you can create a new Nextcloud account. If you want to sync all your files and data from these applications to your respective different devices, then you can log in, or you can use it as offline also. But in order to sync across different devices, you need to log in. And below you will see like app language. You can sense the application language also. There is a app theme, custom accent color, hyper-legible fonts, automatically select for objects, align the editor toolbar on the bottom. You can change the editor toolbar also. So the editor toolbar in full screen mode, invert notes in dark mode, prepare grayscale colors. You can enable it if you want just black and white colors. And below you can see some more options like press and hold to straight align, clear the whiteboard. After you exit the app, you can just enable it if you want to clear the whiteboard automatically. Once you exit this application, you can enable this and prompt you to rename new notes. So you can enable or disable this pop-up message all the time. So these are the options you are gonna get inside the settings. So the third option is the whiteboard. So here you can simply use this application as a whiteboard. So below you can see some icons like fountain pen, highlighter, toggle colors, eraser. You can add a photo even here. You can add a text by typing also, and even you can write with your finger if you want to write with your finger. And toggle full screen That means you want to allow this application to run in the full screen mode, and undo, redo, and there is an export option also. So let us simply try to write something. Let me write. So you can write using your computer mouse also, and if you want to change your pen style, then just click on it. Now you will see here the size. In order to increase or decrease, you can see here right and left arrow indication. Just drag on the left side or drag on right side to increase or decrease, and you can write here. You can decrease it to the level 1 also, and you can select the ball pen also if you want to use a ball pen also. And if you want to erase, then you can just select this eraser and you can just erase everything from here. Now let us go to the first option, that is the recent notes, and on the right bottom you can see a new note creation, right? So just click on this plus icon. Now here you can give a title here, whatever you want to give, say test. I'll just add a test. So here you can create a multiple handwriting notes by creating different pages also, and you can see on the right top corner 3 dot icons. Just click on it, and now you can change the looks of your pages. You can select this 2 lines, this kind of layouts, or this kind of layouts. There are tons of layouts here. Right now you can see different layouts here available for you. So let us select this layout, and even you can change the line height also, right now by 40, and now you can start writing here, and below you will get the same buttons for highlighting, for paints, for colors, everything which I have shown you earlier. So if you want to export this handwriting note, there is an option to export. Just click on it, and now you can export it as SBN file. This is this application file, or you can export it as a PDF, or you can export it as PNG also. So let us click on this PDF, and let us select the output location, and let us check. Now let us try to open. So you can get this kind of PDF file also. So it's a very straightforward application, yet very useful applications, and the good thing about this application is totally free of course, and it works both offline as well as online. So in my opinion, you should definitely give this application a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.